Good morning, dear children. In our last class, we learnt about respiratory system. Now today, we will discuss about another organ system called digestive system. Organs that work together to digest food form the digestive system. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are organs of the human digestive system. We chew food in the mouth. From the mouth, the food passes into the food pipe. That means when you swallow the food, it passes into the food pipe. Then through the food pipe, the food goes into the stomach. The stomach is a bag-like structure. Here the food remains for a few hours and then goes into a long and narrow tube called small intestine. As the food passes from the mouth to the small intestine, it breaks down into simple, useful substances. The process of breaking down of food into simple, useful substances that can be used by the body is called digestion. The process of digestion is completed in small intestine. The useful substances from the digested food enter the blood and are carried to every part of the body to give the nutrition for the body. From the small intestine, the undigested food goes into the large intestine and is removed from the body through the anus. So, in this way, the digestion of food completed. Now, there is a important and interesting thing. Why should we eat fruits and vegetables regularly? It is because they are rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. Vitamins and minerals keep the body healthy, while fiber cleans the digestive system. So, here we finish the digestive system, and in this chart you can see the process how the digestive system works. Thank you children. Goodbye.